QuietCool Manufacturing is one of the fastest growing companies in the U.S., located in Temecula, California. This residential ventilation innovator has taken another step up on their competition by investing in their future with a rooftop commercial solar system. California has seen some of the highest electricity rate growth in the country, just as QC observed as they incurred higher and higher electricity bills. Many businesses have seen their rates more than double, with utilities citing a wide variety of reasons, like increased grid maintenance costs and aging infrastructure, as to why rates will continue to climb. QC Manufacturing wanted to take control of their rising electricity costs and show their commitment to innovation by using commercial solar. So they tasked Revel Energy to design a custom energy solution for their facility. Committed to a more sustainable future for their customers, QC's vision of eco-friendly whole home cooling is now powered by almost 500 kilowatts of rooftop commercial solar for their Temecula facility. Now directly aligned with their mission, QC further improves the lives of their customers through comfortably saving energy and money. Revel's skilled development team and project managers designed and constructed the 500 kilowatt rooftop system that uses almost 1,200 commercial solar panels and 8 inverters to offset all of the electricity the building would typically use during the day. Working with Temecula authorities and code enforcement along the way, Revel's expert team ensured the project received all necessary certifications and permits for efficient interconnection with Southern California Edison to achieve permission to operate. The system is estimated to produce over $5 million in electricity savings over its 30-year lifespan, taking advantage of incentives and programs like the Solar Investment Tax Credit, net energy metering, state and federal bonus depreciation. This commercial rooftop solar solution quickly pays for itself. QuietCool Manufacturing continues their commitment to innovation with this bold decision to look toward a sustainable future for their business with commercial solar. Revel Energy's team of commercial and agricultural solar specialists offer turnkey solutions for California businesses to lower their electricity costs, ultimately increasing cash flow. For an obligation-free, comprehensive energy analysis, contact a Revel Energy solar specialist today.